and talk with enthusiasm, and you'll attract positive results. A positive attitude in life helps you to cope up easily with the daily affairs of life. And especially at this time of pandemic, when we all are battling this pandemic, it's so important to be away from all the pessimistic vibes and be optimistics. So here are some tips which I have brought for you all so that you'll remain positive not just at this time of pandemic of difficulty but throughout your life. So here we move on to the first point, and that is transform negative self-talks into positive self-talks. So first of all, what is a self-talk? A self-talk can be defined as an intrapersonal communication that you do with yourself. Everyone has their own way of doing this personal talks, that is self-talks. So some do it with the speech. They give a speech and they think that they are communicating with themselves, or some do it in the mind itself with their inner voice. But what's important is to make this self-talk positive. Whenever you find that your self-talk is negative, what you need to do is you have to stop down and write that on a page, or maybe just speak it out, so that your mind is, so that you are clear-headed now and you don't have any negativity in your mind. So whenever you find yourself doing negative self-talks, convert them into positive, either by writing or by doing what I'm telling now. Whenever you think that you're not good at this, suppose you say that I'm not good at cooking. No, cooking sucks. What should I do? Like, yeah, I'm such a stupid. I don't know how to cook. Such thoughts are moving in our mind. Just tell yourself that practice will make me better at this. And one day I'll cook really delicious food. So this will make your negative self-talk into a positive self-talk. Now moving towards the second point, and that is separate fact from fiction. You know what the fact is? That whatever we think about is just our fiction. It's not fact. We have just heard some or the other fact from here and there, and we just thought about it again and again, and it became our fiction now. So it's a fiction now. So do tell yourself that this is fiction and this is fact. Don't mix up the fiction and fact. These two are very different words, and you need not just mess up with these. So whenever some negative thoughts are going in your mind, tell yourself that these are fictions and not fact. And whenever a fact is there, just let it remain a fact and not fiction. Now moving towards the third point, and that is limit your intake. Let's be honest. Every time we open our browser or we open our television, some or the other news or some or the other article is available for us to read, and that is full of negativity. Most of us, or there are people who try to be updated with all the news 24/7, and that will make you really very negative. Trust me, I have experienced it myself. When you keep on watching the news whole day, you will be really very negative cause of the negative things you have heard or you have read. So it's really important to limit that intake. Make a limit that I'll not watch the news or be updated more than 100. Sorry, 100 is very much. Not more than an hour. Like, I'll not watch news more than an hour or two. So you just limit it yourself, so that it does not transform you into a negative person. Now moving on to the fourth point, and that is, so the point is, take 2 steps forward. What do I mean when I say take 2 steps forward? Let me elaborate. It will be really very hard at first to stop yourself, to stop the negative flow of your thoughts. So what you have to do is, first of all, don't be very harsh with yourself. Be very easy on yourself. Now notice the flow of, now notice the pattern of the pattern of your thoughts, the way they flow, and take a moment to counter each of them. Whenever you find yourself criticizing yourself, someone else, judging someone, complaining about someone else, or maybe anything, just counter it, and you'll really feel that now it is good, it's happy, it's positive. And you'll counter them by what? By making small observations on those facts which are negative, or making small gratitudes visible. This will really make you a positive person, and think of it as taking 2 steps forward after taking a step backward. Now moving towards the last point, and that is understand your strength. You are stronger than you know. It's really very easy to be engulfed in the hopelessness a pandemic brings. But what's important is to not lose the hope. It's important to keep going, because it's just the hope that keeps us going, and it'll make you travel a long way. So whenever you feel really negative and you start to lose hope, remind yourself that you have faced so many challenges in your past, and you have won them, you have conquered them, and you will conquer this as well. So tell yourself this, and you'll remain positive even in tough times. I hope these 5 tips will always help you whenever you feel negative. So do try them in your daily life, and you will really feel like a positive person. And this positivity and this optimism will do wonders in your life. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.